Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today we're going to do something to prove something, right? My emphasis going forward is to stop doing unboxing videos, but person said I should continue doing it. So we're going to do an unboxing today of the Samsung Z Flip 6. Now this is a new flip phone from Samsung, and we're going to do an unboxing and just do a straight spec rundown and see how long that video is. Anyhow, so let's get right into it. Now the Z Flip 6 is a new flip phone from Samsung. Now this is for persons who want to use a compact phone and don't like the big phones roaming around in them pocket, and just something stylish clamshell. So in the box you get the Z Flip 6. You also get a USB Type-C cable with a lot of booklets, and somewhere around there you will find the SIM ejection tool. No charger. Okay, let's talk specs. So you have, yeah, I can't make up that one. Doesn't make any sense to talk specs, right? So here are the specifications on the screen. It is running the latest chipset from Snapdragon, so it's very power efficient and a very powerful phone. Now we're not going to go into much detail because again, this is not a review and I'm still using the phone. So stay tuned for the review coming out the end of this week. And surprise, surprise, I actually asked if I could do a drop test or multiple drop tests, yeah. And I'm still waiting on the answer from Samsung. I don't know if they're going to allow me to do it, but the reason I'm doing it is because a lot of persons are very interested in the Z Flip 6, but they keep saying, why? I'm not quite sure about the durability, the opening, if it drop, water resistance, you know, all of those little nitpicks. So I am going to test it out if them allow me. Anyhow folks, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. Have many more videos coming out for the week, and until next time, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when there's sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.